Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video where we are solving some examples on calculating time complexity. In our previous video, we have already solved some of the complex and basic examples related to time complexity calculation. Let's work out on more example where we have a for loop where it iterates from I1 to n, and the j loop which iterates from 1 to I square, and k loop which iterates from 1 to n by 2 times, right? So the very basic fundamental of calculating time complexity is to identify the basic operation. And here if you see, this basic operation is nothing but this thing, count equal to count plus 1, incremental of count. This is the basic operation of this algorithm. This we understood. Now second thing what we calculate is the how many times this gets incremented. We have already seen the cases where you by mistake understand a particular operation as a basic operation, which is not a basic operation. By chance here it is only one operation, so that is a basic operation itself. But when we have so many operation in algorithm, you have to keenly look for that, right? We have already worked out on those problems. Okay, now the second step of finding time complexity is to calculate how many times this count has been executed. So if you see that I goes from 1 to n times, therefore I'll write I will go from 1, 2, 3 to n times. Can you tell me how many times this j will go? So j goes from 1 to I square here. Remember, it is I square. So if I write j goes from 1, I square 2 is 4, then 9, so on till n square, right? Then can you tell me k? K goes from 1 to n by 2. K goes from 1 to n by 2. So k will be how much? 1 into n by 2, 4 into n by 2, 9 into n by 2, and so on, n square into n by 2. So I have to calculate how many times this executed. So what I have to do exactly, that is n by 2 plus 4n by 2 plus 9n by 2 plus n square n by 2. If you take n by 2 common from this, you get 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, so on as n square. And this is nothing but sum of square of n natural number, which I remember as n by 2 times n plus 1, n plus, sorry, not n, it is 2n, n plus 1 to n plus 1 times divided by 6. So if you solve this here, you get as if you just see n multiply by n square, n cube, and n4. So I'm not solving the complete expression, but I understood that it is nothing but of n power 4, right? If you want me to solve this completely, I can do that. It will be like n square n plus 1 times 2 n plus 1 upon 12. Then it will be n cube plus n square times 2n plus 1 upon 12, and then it will be 2n power 4 plus n cube plus 2n cube plus n square. So if you see, what is the highest power? N power 4. So this will be time complexity. Are you understanding it? Let's work out on more examples related to while loop also, because we were just playing with for loops. Let's take some example related to while loops, and then we'll see if we can also solve some complex algorithm containing every step while, for, or recursive algorithm, and we'll see. So if you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.